Get ready to experience pure satisfaction as we explore the fascinating world of ingenious machines that transform everyday tasks into mesmerizing mechanical wonders. This machine expertly punches out perfectly shaped shovel outlines with incredible precision. Who would have guessed that these thin metal sheets could transform into tools strong enough to shatter concrete? Now comes the exciting part, the forming process. The metal is pressed into that iconic shovel shape we all recognize. Pretty satisfying to watch, right? But it's not just about appearance. This step also gives the shovel its impressive strength. Finally, the grand finale. The shovel head is joined with its reliable partner, the handle. Riveted securely into place, the result is a tool built to withstand just about anything. But let's be honest, I usually end up driving a nail or screw through mine eventually. We've all seen wooden pallets, those sturdy, reliable platforms used for shipping and storage. Some of us might have even tried to dismantle them. But have you ever wondered how these durable structures are made? Let's take a closer look at the process with the Makina pallet double nailing line. It all begins with wooden planks being carefully aligned by the machine for precision. Once everything is in place, the real magic happens. High-powered nail guns take over, driving hundreds of nails into the wood with impeccable accuracy, no hammering required. This powerhouse of a machine can nail up to 2,500 nails per pallet in just a few minutes, turning raw planks into robust, ready-to-use pallets in no time. It's efficiency and craftsmanship, automated to perfection. Let's dive into the fascinating craft of precision knife making, where artistry meets functionality. The journey begins with the knife's shape being swiftly stamped out in one clean motion. But the true transformation occurs when the blade enters a blazing forge, reaching searing temperatures of approximately 1800 degrees. After forging, the blade gets its defining feature, a razor-sharp, serrated edge. This edge is designed to effortlessly slice through everything, from crusty bread to dense bone, showcasing unmatched versatility. Next comes the handle, a vital component for control and durability. Each handle is securely fastened using triple rivets, a time-honored technique perfected over a century ago for ultimate strength and stability. No loose fittings here. Finally, the handle undergoes meticulous sanding and polishing, resulting in a smooth, ergonomic finish. This ensures a comfortable grip, making the knife not only a tool, but a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Hey kids, have you ever wondered where those soft and bouncy playground mats come from? Let's find out with AlphaMass. It all begins with tiny rubber granules, often made from recycled tires. Yep, those old tires get a whole new life. How awesome is that? First, the tires are broken down, and anything that's not rubber, like metal wires and fibers, is carefully sorted out and removed. What's left behind is pure rubber, ready to be transformed. Next, this rubber is further refined and processed into small pellets. These versatile pellets are used in all kinds of projects, from playground mats to rubberized roads, turning something that could have been waste into something super useful. But how do these pellets become the mats you love? The granules are mixed with a special glue and poured into molds to shape them. Then, the magic happens. The mixture is pressed and heated, making the mats strong, durable, and flexible, perfect for all your jumping, running, and tumbling adventures. After cooling, the mats are popped out of the molds and painted with bright, fun colors, ready to bring joy and safety to playgrounds everywhere. How cool is that? Recycling at its finest, creating the mats that make your playtime extra special. Let's dive into some pure mechanical bliss with the GMI Magnets Nail Aligner. Witness the mesmerizing flow of thousands of nails gliding down the conveyor belt. It's like watching a perfectly synchronized metal ballet, where every nail finds its place with impeccable precision. These powerful magnets are more than just organizers. They're built to handle hundreds of nails per minute, maintaining flawless performance every single time. The grand finale? As the nails approach the end of the line, they're expertly guided into the sorting box, cascading effortlessly into place with smooth, calculated precision. It's industrial artistry at its finest. Let's get into some serious cleaning action with Iola Bueri. At NV Automation, the process of creating sweeping brushes is anything but dull. It all begins with bundles of bristles being fed into the machine with mesmerizing precision. These bristles are expertly cut, neatly organized, and rapidly inserted into the brush heads, all in a matter of seconds. This cutting-edge machine operates at lightning speed, producing up to 1/200 tufts per minute. That's enough to assemble dozens of top-quality brooms in just 1 hour. Ever wondered how those timeless vinyl records are made at the Palace Group's vinyl processing plant? The process begins with raw polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, which is heated and mixed with color pigments, usually black, to enhance strength. Once combined, the mixture is cooled into tiny pellets. These pellets are then reheated and molded into round, flat biscuits. Here's where the magic truly happens. The biscuits are placed under 100 tons of pressure between two plates that carry the grooves of the master disc. This pressing process transfers the intricate grooves that will soon play your favorite tunes. After pressing, the vinyl records are rapidly cooled and carefully trimmed to ensure perfectly smooth, rounded edges. Quality control is a top priority. Each record undergoes both visual and sonic inspection to meet the Palace Group's impeccable standards. Finally, the freshly pressed vinyl records are packaged in their iconic sleeves, ready to bring music to life for enthusiasts around the world. Let's take a closer look at how a polymer wheel is made, a process that's both mesmerizing and precise. It all begins with combining raw polymer materials. These are heated and melted into a smooth, dough-like consistency, ready for shaping. The molten polymer is then poured into a mold, where the real transformation begins. Under intense heat and pressure, the material takes the shape of a perfectly formed wheel. Once it cools and solidifies, the wheel is carefully removed from the mold. But the journey doesn't end there. To ensure a flawless finish, the wheel goes through trimming and polishing. This final step gives it the perfectly rounded edges needed for a seamless, smooth ride. If you thought the last machine was impressive, just wait until you see the MBK cage welding machine in action. It's a true marvel. Watch as sparks fly and steel rods come together with incredible precision. This powerhouse of a machine weaves reinforced cages used in concrete construction, forming the backbone of some of the world's most iconic structures, from towering skyscrapers to massive bridges. These steel cages are built to be rock solid, and the MBK machine ensures every joint is flawlessly welded, all while the structure rotates seamlessly for perfect alignment. Here's a fun fact. This machine can handle rods up to 57 millimeters in diameter, making it capable of delivering the durability needed for even the most demanding projects. Talk about mesmerizing engineering at its finest. Let's explore the incredible process of container production with the Parker blow molding machine. It begins with a tube of hot plastic, known as a parison, being positioned inside a mold. Next, high-pressure air is introduced into the parison, causing it to expand and conform to the shape of the mold, much like inflating a balloon. Within seconds, the plastic cools and solidifies, forming a variety of products, from water bottles to large industrial containers. The Parker blow molding machine is a marvel of efficiency, capable of producing up to 3,000 containers per hour. Ever dreamed of creating your own lumber right in your backyard? With the Wood-Mizer portable sawmill, that dream can become a reality. This compact yet powerful machine is like having your own personal lumber factory at home. It transforms rough logs into precise, beautiful planks, perfect for any woodworking project. One of the best features is its versatility. You can customize the size and thickness of each cut to fit your exact needs. Some models can even handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter, making it capable of slicing through full tree trunks. If you're passionate about DIY projects or woodworking, the Wood-Mizer is your ultimate tool for turning raw wood into stunning creations. It may not seem flashy, but hear me out. This is all about precision. Meet the Wafio's MB90 coiling and bending machine. a true wire-bending artisan. It transforms long, straight wires into intricate shapes with unmatched accuracy every single time. And when it comes to speed, the MB90 is in a league of its own, coiling wire at an incredible pace of up to 90 meters per minute. That's almost the length of a football field in just 1 minute. Now that's precision and performance in perfect harmony.